All right, our very first Audi R8. Man, I remember watching Iron Man and seeing these. I'm like, that is badass. Like, that is really cool. Would I buy one? I don't know. I don't know. They're cool, they are, but I don't know if I would want... The guy's already said that anywhere that he goes, people are always trying to race him, and I'm not much of like a speed guy, so I just like just to cruise and just go. But it is pretty cool looking. V10 at that. So the masking side shouldn't be too difficult, but I am going to be extremely tedious when it comes to the prep side of things. The door jambs, we want to make sure those are clean. This is thankfully, we already got an edge here, so I shouldn't have too much of a hassle with it. Carbon fiber accents are staying the same. All the chrome stuff is going black. Same with the wheels, the grille, a couple other accents. And then we're going to change the color of the silver to a nice army green color. Not too bright, not too soft, not too dark. It is just right. This one's going to take me a couple days. Obviously, I want to make sure it looks good. I mean, it's a freaking R8. Like, it's a supercar. They consider this thing a supercar. So, this one's going to be a little bit longer than what we normally do. You already know. Let's get to work. first Audi R8 is completely done. It wasn't too difficult. I mean, obviously being $100,000+ vehicle, we wanted to make sure that it looked legit and everything. Ooh, this is pretty cool. He doesn't know it just yet, so we matched the you know, support bars, sway bars, whatever you call them. I like it. Hopefully it's not too much for him. I don't obviously want it to look tacky, but I think it's a nice, oh, I got some wax in here. I think it's a nice like little added feature. Same with the gas tank, a couple other accents, nothing too crazy. We got his door jambs nice and clean. He originally wanted, he sent us an email and said, hey, I want this color here. And then we were like, all right, cool. I think we can make it. He was like, I want a flat finish. I don't want it glossy. I don't want it too satin. I want a beautiful flat finish. He's got another vehicle that's an army green truck. So it's gonna be pretty cool to see them both side by side. So we blacked out the grill, blacked out the wheels, blacked out the emblems. Obviously we did, you know, the army green. This vehicle has PPF pretty much over the entire thing. You can kind of see a little bit here. No issues spraying over PPF as long as it's done right. And that's for both sides. That's the PPF side and that's on our side. If this piece was like bubbling here, I noticed that it's like it gets a little bit more bubble. Not too much, but it's best to obviously apply it whenever it's completely flat and done right. So yeah. Oh, man. I love this. Like, I really like this a lot. I wish he was local. Man. Gas resistant, scratch resistant, peelable automotive paint. This guy can drive around for 3, 4, 5 years, whatever the case is. And when he's done and ready, he can peel it off and go back to his gray or silver color. And yeah, he's good to go. All right, let's pull this thing out. Let's get some drone shots. He's on his way, so let's hurry it up. You okay though?
Oh, I'm good. Throttle stuck wide open.
Did you get right in there too?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
That's why I'm trying to get out of it.
I'm sorry, man.
Oh, no, that's a problem. You shouldn't have done that.